Can you really start investing with just $100? Absolutely. In 2026, it's easier than ever. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step. Whether you're a student working a 9 to 5 or just starting out, this guide is made for you. Let's get into it. Before you put a single dollar into the market, check one thing. Do you have an emergency fund? That means at least 1 to 2 months of living expenses saved up. If not, build that first. And if you're carrying high-interest debt, like credit card debt, pay that off before investing. Because no investment return will beat a 20% interest rate. All right, now the good stuff. You've got $100. Here are the 3 best places to put it in 2026. Option 1, index funds or ETFs. This is the smartest, safest choice for beginners. With one index fund, your money is automatically spread across 500+ companies. Platforms like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Robinhood let you start for free, with 0 minimums. Option 2, fractional shares. In 2026, you don't need thousands of dollars to own Apple, Google, or Tesla. You can buy a small slice of any stock, even with just $5. Apps like Robinhood and Public make this super easy. Option 3, high-yield savings account. If you're not ready to take any risk at all, a high-yield savings account can earn you 4 to 5% annually with 0 risk to your principal. It's not flashy, but it's a solid start. Let's walk through it step by step. Step 1. Download an investing app. For beginners in the US, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Robinhood are great starting points. All free, all beginner-friendly. Step 2. Create and verify your account. You'll need your social security number, a valid ID, and your bank account details. Takes about 10 minutes. Step 3. Transfer $100 from your bank to your investing account. Step 4. Choose a simple S&P 500 index fund, or ETF, like VOO or SPY. Low fees, low risk, and historically strong long-term returns. Step 5. Invest it, and then leave it alone. Seriously, the biggest mistake beginners make is checking their portfolio every hour. Investing is a long game. Let it grow. Now let's talk about what not to do. Don't invest based on tips from friends or social media. My buddy said this stock is going to the moon is not a strategy. Don't put all $100 into crypto. It's highly volatile and not ideal for beginners. Don't panic sell when the market dips. It will dip, and that's completely normal. Stay calm and stay invested. Don't put everything into one single stock. Diversify, even with a small amount. So there you have it. Investing your first $100 is not complicated. You just need the right direction and the courage to start. Download an app today. Set up your account and make that first investment. Your future self will thank you for it. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below. Where are you planning to invest your first $100? Next video, we're breaking down SIP versus lump sum investing. Which one actually wins? Until then, happy investing.